Hey trainers! Imagine being able to explore the world of Pokémon Go without ever leaving your room. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Let me introduce you to the Pokémon Go Joystick, the ultimate tool that lets you walk, raid, and shiny hunt without stepping outside. You can roam through Central Park, battle in Tokyo, or catch rare Pokémon in London, all while relaxing on your couch. You can hatch eggs, spin PokéStops, and battle in gyms. Basically everything except giving Pikachu a real pet. And yes, you can even rack up 20 kilometers of walking while still in your pajamas. What makes this a total game changer? It's called iAnyGo. It works perfectly with the official Pokémon Go app, no jailbreak, no root. Just plug it in, open the app, choose game mode, and follow a few simple steps. In minutes, you'll have a joystick right on your screen. It's available on both iOS and Android, and they keep it updated so you won't miss out on any new features. Whether you want to save time, skip bad weather, or explore more spots without leaving home, this tool is a super handy way to level up your Pokémon Go experience. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Catch you in the next video.